Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Today we are going to talk about different types of muscle tissue. In our previous lecture, we have introduced that what the muscle tissue is made up of, what type of movement are shown by the muscle tissue. So today we are going to take a look over the different types of muscle tissue, where they are located and what kind of functions they are going to perform. Fine. Especially what type of movement is shown by the muscle tissue. So let's start with the very first type. This is skeletal muscle tissue first, smooth muscle tissue, cardiac muscle tissue. So on the basis of their structure, on the basis of their location, where they are located and what kind of function they are performing, there are three types. The skeletal muscle, they are also named as striated muscle or we can call them voluntary muscle. Now we'll see why we are giving these different names to it. Skeletal muscle is because it attaches to our skeletal system. Okay, it attaches to the bone, these muscles, to our skeletal system directly. It means it attaches to the bones. That's why we are calling this as a skeletal muscle. Fine. Second, why we are calling it striated muscle? The term striated means the bands which are formed, as you can see over here. Okay, these line and these blank spaces, this part, this one. Okay, एक ये band form हो गया, एक ये light वाला part हो गया. So these kinds of striations, when the muscle cells, they are stained with a dye and observed under the microscope, then we are observing these kinds of dark band. Okay, these kinds of bands are observed. This one. Okay? Dark, light, dark, light. So this is called striations. So that's why the bands are observed. That is called striated muscle. Fine. Now the third, voluntary. So what type of movement the muscles are going to show? The movement which are under the will of the animal, which are under our control. That's why they are voluntary muscles, because they perform the voluntary movements. Fine. Hope it would be clear. Got it? The structure of it. Now as you can see this particular structure over here, this is of a single muscle cell. So the skeletal muscle, they are cylindrical, as you can see over here. Okay, long तो होते हैं, all the cells they are long, and you can see the multi-nucleus. These are the nucleus and these are the bands which are formed over here. Okay, so this is multi-nucleated muscle fiber. The reason being, more amount of proteins are produced or formed because these are highly active muscles. Okay, highly active muscles, multinucleated. Actually, they are not multinucleated from their origin. These skeletal muscle fiber, or we can say muscle cells, they are made up of the small myoblasts, small muscle cells from the early stage. Later on they fused in hundreds of numbers and 50s of number and form one or two muscle cells. That's why the nucleus was remained there. ठीक है, उनका न्यूक्लियस कहीं खत्म नहीं हुआ, बहुत सारी सेल्स एक सेल बना के वो मल्टी न्यूक्लिएट बन गया. And this multinucleate help in production of more energy, production of more proteins in that way. Got it? Hope this would be clear to all. Cylindrical shape, multinucleated, bands are formed in this. These are the characteristic of this. Got it? Now we'll see the location of this particular muscle. Location, where it is located in our body. So it is located in your limbs, okay, your hand and your legs, your neck, your tongue, okay, your backbone, you can bend, got it? All those body organs, all those body structures which are able to move as per your conscious, as per your will, they all are containing the skeletal muscle. Okay, as they are attached to the skeletal system, so we are able to take our body from one place to the another with the help of the movement which is visible to us, which we can control. That is voluntary movement. Hope this would be clear. Fine. Next, the smooth type of the muscles. So smooth type of muscle is also known as unstriated. As you can see, no striations are formed, no bands are formed over here. Okay? As you can see, there are no bands. These are the muscle cells. Okay, we can call them muscle fiber as they are long. The shape of the cell, as you can see, spindle shape. Okay, tapered, pointed from the ends, bulged out from the center in this way. इस तरीके की spindle shape cells हो. And no bands, as you can see, कोई band नहीं दिख रहा है. ठीक है, so no striations. Fine. And the type of the movement which is shown by them, that is involuntary. That's why they are called as involuntary muscles. And another name for them, non-striated muscles. Why they are smooth? Because they are not attached to the bones. Okay, they are attached to the smooth surfaces of your body. That's why it is a smooth muscle. That was attached to the skeletal system, so that was the skeletal muscle. This is attached to the smooth surfaces of the body. What nucleus, as you can see, single nucleus. So this is uninucleated. Uninucleated muscle. Got it? So these are the characteristics. What? The spindle shape. No bands are formed, light, dark, as you can see. Involuntary in nature and uninucleated. So these are the smooth muscles. Now we'll see where they are located, what kind of movements are performed by them. Location. So they are located mainly in the muscles of, or you can say, sorry, we just write it, in the alimentary canal. Okay, where it show the movement called peristalsis, the wavy movement shown throughout the alimentary canal. That is because of the muscles which are present in the alimentary canal. And what type of muscles? Smooth muscles, involuntary. So this is the first location throughout the alimentary canal. Got it? Except the top of your esophagus, where we used to swallow, that contain voluntary muscles. Rest, the esophagus, the stomach walls, the intestine walls, all contain the smooth muscle. Other than that, the respiratory tract along with the diaphragm, they all are made up of smooth muscles. Fine. The lungs they use to show the movement, so they are made up of smooth muscles. Fine. In that way. I'll just find out the list for more examples in this way. That type of movement which is not under your control, taking place in your body. Got it? That is involuntary type of movement, and the muscle which is present over there is smooth. So these two are clear, I think, to you people. We'll move to the next. That is going to be going to carry the common characters of the both. Okay, few characters of smooth muscle, few characters of skeletal muscle, and that type of muscle is cardiac muscle. This is the third type of muscle tissue. So these cardiac muscle, as you can see, these are branched. You can see over here cylindrical. तो cylindrical कौन सी थी हमारी? Skeletal muscles. Bands you can see over here, their bands are formed. But compared to that of the skeletal muscle, the bands are of lighter color. ठीक है, तो striated हो गई, cylindrical हो गई, and nucleus is one. So one nucleus was in the smooth muscle. ठीक है, nucleus is one. These you can see in between, ये dark से जो structures हैं, these are the junctions. What they are? These are the junctions between the cell. This is one cell. This is one cell. This is another cell. Okay, and they are connected with the junctions. These junctions are intercalated disc. Okay, these are the intercalated disc. This is the special characteristic of the cardiac muscle. Fine, and these are mainly for the function that, so that if this particular cell is receiving any message, so the next will going to get it very fast, क्योंकि बीच में ये जंक्शन है ना, जैसे ही यहाँ पे कोई इम्पल्स आती है, कोई मैसेज आता है, so that will be easily transferred to the side ones also due to these junctions. For that purpose it is, so that the muscle can respond very quickly. Got it? Other than that, uninucleated it is. Uninucleated, ठीक है, branched as you can see, ठीक है, light striations we can write. Light striations are formed, bands are formed over here, and cylindrical in shape. So this type of muscles, they are mainly present in the heart, because the word cardiac means heart. So where they are going to present? Restricted to the heart and big blood vessels like the aorta, like the vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. They contain this type of muscles, cardiac muscle. Okay, they are not going to present anywhere any other part of the body other than the heart, because this muscle, these muscles are specialized to, what we can say, work continuously without getting fatigue. Okay, they are not going to get fatigue, थकती नहीं है, continuously function करती रहती है. जब थक जाएंगी तो we are also going to get that. Okay, so these muscles unstoppably function, keep on working throughout your life. Got it? So that type of muscle, what movement is shown by them? Involuntary, because the heartbeat is not under our control. So this rhythmic movement, the contraction, relaxation of the heart, this is done by the special muscles called cardiac muscles. Got it? So we have done 3 different types of muscle tissue: the smooth muscle tissue, the skeletal muscle tissue, and the cardiac muscle tissue. Thank you.